it's been about 7 weeks since we planted our annuals. These are all the primary colors, the yellows, the blues, the reds. And these three colors seem to work very well together. We've got different textures and colors, and it's all looking very nice. We've got the yellow sweet potato vine, we've got the red sun patience, and the blue ageratum. And they're all looking good. So these three primary colors and all the planning that we did ahead of time to make sure we had the different colors and the different textures really does make a difference in the landscape, and these look very nice. So always plan ahead, think about the plants you're going to have, the textures, the colors that are going to go together, and you will have a successful planting.